Viewers, welcome back to another very exciting tutorial on Web Learning Academy. I am your host Ibrahim. Today I will start to show you how to use Camtasia Studio 9 2018 version. It's a serious tutorial, so don't forget to subscribe into my channel to get more latest video updates about Camtasia Studio 9. What is Camtasia Studio? Camtasia Studio is a wonderful creation of TechSmith Corporation. Mainly, it's a screen recorder software. Besides that, it has the ability to edit videos. It's very popular, especially to those users who are new to video editing. Camtasia Studio 9 is well known for capture video recording. That means whatever you're doing in your screen, Camtasia Studio 9 will help you to record those activities for you as a video. Even you can make professional videos using Camtasia Studio 9. It has a lot of video editing features what usually professional video editing softwares offer. You can use on both operating system, Windows or Mac. I think it's enough about its introduction. Now let's jump to the first tutorial of Camtasia Studio 9. To get started, just click on Camtasia Studio icon. When you open the Camtasia Studio for the first time, a new startup window will be appear. Here you can see under the Get Started menu, there is three options: New Project, New Recording and Open Project. If you select and click on New Project, then it will open the Camtasia main interface where you can edit your media. If you click on New Recording, then Camtasia screen recording window will come up on your screen. If you want to record your screen, then you can start to record your screen by select and click New Record button. After that, Camtasia screen recorder will be open on your screen. From there, you can select your recording area. On my later videos, I will show you step by step how you can do that. If you have any existing project on Camtasia Studio, then you can simply click and open project. Locate the file and click open. Your project will be appear on the main interface where you edit your media and finally export the videos. Here I am going to start with new project. Just select and click on it. This is the main interface of Camtasia Studio 9. Just like other softwares, you can see there is few options: File, Edit, Modify, View, Share and Help. Beside that, there is also some option which allow you to work with your media. It's media, library, annotation, transition, behavior, animation, cursor effect, voice narration, audio effects, visual effect, interactivity and captions. On my later videos, I will show you each and every option of Camtasia Studio 9 step by step. Just like other video editing professional software, you can see there is a output monitor where you can see your media files, and there is a timeline where your media will be placed for editing. On my next video, I will show you how to create a video using Camtasia Studio 9 by capturing your screen. Till then, take care. If you like my videos, then don't forget to subscribe into my channel. If you have any question regarding this video, then feel free comment under the video. Thanks for watching.